This is a complete beginner guide to WhatsApp in 2025. So first of all, open your WhatsApp, and after doing that, simply tap on agree and continue. Then in here you can see this is by default the number that you currently have on your phone. If you want to use that, you can tap on that. If you want to use a different number, tap on use a different number. For now, I'm going to go with the same number just like this, and then tap on continue. So after doing that, here you can see it is currently connecting my account which already exists. If you do not have your WhatsApp account, it will tell you to write your name just like this and then tap on done. After doing that, you can now start messaging all of the friends and all of the people that you want to do on your WhatsApp. So if you tap on you right here, and in your profile picture, you can do that by simply tapping on here, tap on edit. You can even edit your name in here. You can write about you in here. And in here, if you want to add any kind of links, you can do that to your profile. And in here you can see we have a lot of different things that you can do. If you ever want to share your profile, you can tap on this QR code right here. Then you can simply share this QR code to any of your friends in order to scan, or you can tap on scan in order to scan any of your friends' QR code. So in here, if you tap on this share icon, now you'll be able to share your profile via all of these medias. So yeah, that's all for this video.